Alright, let's pick up right where we left off after a bit of recap before that time limit just kind of ended our last video session. So what we're trying to do is prove this very first sum to product formula, the one from sines, and we use this trick. Whoops! We use the trick that we let x equal to u plus v, y equal to u minus v, then we add x and y together, simplify it down. We subtract x from x and y and simplify it down. And now let's just go ahead and take the product of those two things. I'm doing that because isn't that basically what we have over here? Okay. So I had the sine of the product, or well, the sine of x plus y over 2 times the cosine of x minus y over 2. It's a product, so I'm going to use a product sum formula, which was 1/2 the sine of the sum of those two angles plus the sine of the difference of those two angles. And I was in the process of simplifying before the video ended. So as soon as I find my cursor here, I will finish simplifying it. So 1/2 sine of, in parentheses, when I add these two fractions together, they both already have the same denominator, so I'll have two x's. What happens to the y's? They disappear. So I have 2x over 2 plus the sine of, in this set of parentheses, again, the denominators are already the same. I'm going to have to distribute this negative sign through the top, so I have negative x, but positive y. X's this time will cancel, and I'll have 2y over 2, bracket. So this equals 1/2 the sine of 2 divided by 2, that's just 1. So it's the same over here. Oh, need some brackets. And this is still equal to all of this business. Here, let me rewrite that. Sine of x plus y over 2 times the cosine of x minus y over 2 equals 1/2. That's 1/2 times sine x plus sine y. And to make it look like, let me switch back over here, this exact formula, we have to get rid of the 1/2 and just multiply both sides so I can get the 2 over here on the product side. Flip. So if I just multiply both sides of this, look at the double bracket action, times 2. On the left side, I'm going to have 2 sine of x plus y over 2 times the cosine of x minus y over 2 equals, now the 1/2 and the 2 will cancel out, leaving me with just the sum sine x plus sine y. Now this formula is the same thing as that one, except I have x's and y's instead of u's and v's, and that should please you anyway because you hate those u's and v's.